mo ba na if you have this, plug this to a charger or a power bank, soft touch the press button, meron kang instant lamp, press it again, at meron kang focus light na ganito. But did you also know that the real magic happens when you remove this? Lagyan mo ng isa sa mga 12 na kasamang ganito, drop this, lagay mo sa slot, put it back, turn off the lights, and watch what happens. Ganito po kaganda yung mangyayari sa kwarto mo or ng anak mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng bagong decoration. It can be as small as this, and you can turn your ceiling or empty wall into these different projectors. Yes po, hindi lang siya basta night lamp, instant projector na rin siya. And I love it because hindi siya katulad ng iba na sobrang laki. Ito, USB powered lang, pwedeng power bank, pwedeng nga itong gamitin sa camping as your night light. And you can imagine how beautiful it would be kapag ginamit mo yung projector na to sa gabi. Sobrang ganda, ang dami mong pagpipilian. You can actually have 3, 6, or even 12 different images. Ang ganda pang regalo, pan-decorate sa bahay because it's so portable, sobrang liit lang at hindi siya masasayang because if you don't want to project, pwede mo nang gamitin to as your regular night lamp o kaya naman pwede ka mag-project ng ilaw. So, kung gusto mo ng ganito, ano pang hinihintay mo? Click on the Shopee link. Stay safe,